Hello and welcome to another update on SUI. So SUI continues to suffer here together with Bitcoin. We're still in a larger correction. There is no confirmed low yet. Price could not hold these previous swing lows. We're still holding above the red line, but it does look as if the price is on its way to this blue zone, the blue target zone. At least at the moment, it looks like it. We don't need this additional swing low. Okay, we don't need the larger correction technically, right? But it looks, based on the microstructures, the failure to hold these previous swing lows really, well, it indicates weakness, and it indicates, underlying weakness. It indicates that we're likely still working here on this larger correction. The price might be on its way to $3.07 to $2.53 next for a larger wave too. Quick reminder what we're tracking here. In the orange scenario, I mean, technically this yellow scenario is still valid, right? But this is very, very drawn out now, especially if you compare this 1-2 pattern that happened after the June low compared to this, is this really an A, B in wave 5? It would be a massive wave 5. Can happen, can be the case. It's technically valid as long as our red line is holding. We talked about the red signal line in yesterday's video, but also a few days before we talked about this important line in the sand. And yeah, located at $3.26, it keeps the yellow scenario alive, but it really does look as if we are following the lower wave 2 scenario here, in which we have 5 waves up completed from the June low, and this is a so-called WXY structure, best I can tell. And in the Y wave, we have an A, B, C structure, and the C wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a scenario I'm tracking here in the orange scenario, the orange pathway. I've added some microstructures earlier today. It doesn't, however, change anything yet. Okay, so even I mean, the yellow count is still valid, but even with this being invalidated, which it would be below 326, this orange scenario obviously has been on the chart for a couple of weeks now, I think. So just to highlight here what the next levels would be, $3.07 would be a relevant level, but based on the microstructure, we could even see it go down a little bit lower, because remember that it needs to fill in a 5-wave move down in wave C. So we're probably going to see it go to 285 to 273 if this is being followed through. But that being said, there can always be a surprise turnaround to keep the yellow scenario alive. But to keep the yellow count alive, I need to see a breakout attempt and a higher low. We have had a few breakout attempts here, or at least reversal attempts, but the price has not been able to hold a higher low. So this was here a lower low now, right? And the price could not hold above the 22nd of August low, the swing low from, let's say, a week ago. So yeah, key spot here, absolute key spot, but it basically needs an immediate turnaround, and the bulls need to show up right now to keep that yellow count alive. I would already expect or prepare for a deeper pullback while keeping an eye on this key spot, this red line, for signs of an upside reversal attempt. But for now, as I record this video, there's no such reversal attempt. So I keep you updated if anything changes. I mean, this chart hasn't really changed in the last few days, but if we see any exciting upside momentum, I'll let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks so much. Also, make sure you follow us on X, by the way. You can find a link in the description and in the comment section. Here you find additional updates and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.